If your Alfa Giulia's engine feels rough or shaky, listen up. Common symptoms include engine shaking at idle and a flashing check engine light. You might also notice a loss of power or jerky acceleration. Exhaust popping or an uneven sound can be a red flag too. Most likely causes: worn or fouled spark plugs, especially around 40 km. Coil pack failure, particularly in cylinder 2 or 3, is another culprit. Don't forget about fuel injector clogging from low-quality fuel. A vacuum leak or intake gasket issue could also be at play. To diagnose, start by scanning for error codes. P0300 to P0304 usually means misfire. Replace spark plugs first. It's the cheapest and most effective fix. If the problem persists, swap coil packs to find the bad one. Cleaning or replacing injectors may be necessary if the misfire continues. To prevent future misfires, use premium 98-octane fuel. Change your spark plugs every 30 to 40 km for best results. Keep those injectors clean and stick to regular maintenance. That's how you can diagnose and fix Giulia misfires quickly.